In English, we might say, where did Louis drive to before? Well, in ASL, we'll go like this. All right, let's jump in. Sign this question, starting with the name. Let's fingerspell. L-U-I-S. So we have Louis. Louis. Here's the sign for before. All right, use your dominant hand. We're going to start with a flat hand shape like that. Flip it around, pointing at your shoulder, right? Just wave the air past your head. Like there's a balloon floating here and you just push it past. Before. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Before. Right. Here's the sign for drive to. Okay, we're going to use both hands. The hand shape's the letter S, or we say fists. Remember the sign for car, like that? Right? Well, that also works for drive, but here we need drive to with direction, right? So we're going to go like that, like grabbing that steering wheel, and we just move it forward. Drive to. Drive to. From the side. Other side. From the front again, drive to. Now I'm going a little bit off to my right side. If you want to go a little bit off to your left side, that's fine. We just need that motion, like driving, drive to. Yes. How do we sign where? Right, where? It's a WH question. Furrow those eyebrows, right? Throughout the whole sentence if you really want to, or you can just do it at the end. I find the end more preferable. Okay, sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Louis, before, drive to, where? Louis, before, drive to, where? All right, let's speed up. Okay, so let me teach you some useful signs that we can flip out with drive to. Okay, so how about we do walk to? So this is what walk to looks like. We have like a little guy there, the legs, and we have one hand, and just move the legs as you move away. So that can be walk to. So let's sign Louis before walk to where? Let's do that. Okay, why don't we do go to? All right, here's the sign for go to. All right, use those index fingers starting here like rockets, go to. Okay, let's sign Louis before go to where? All right, how about we do fly to, like an airplane, fly to. Here's fly to. So go like this. This is the I love you sign in ASL, right? We're going to use that shape as our plane, right? Middle two fingers down. Put it like here, like it's flying, right? And just go like this. Fly to. Fly to. So let's put it in the sentence. Here we go. All right, so Louis is going all over, right? So we had drive to, we had walk to, we had go to, and we had fly to. How useful is that? And here's another version for walk to. Like taking steps, flat hands, and footprints going away. So once again, we have drive to, we have fly to, we have go to, and we have two versions of walk to. Walk to and walk to. Okay, wonderful. So let's sign the original version one more time because that's what we need for review. Here we go. Okay, we just talked about how to sign Louis before drive to where?